Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to use preview app on your iPhone. So let's get started. So as you can see on iOS 26, over here you can see there is an app called preview. So what it's all about it, or how we can use it, and what is the necessity of this particular app. So first of all, you just need to go over here, tap on the preview, and that is going to take you to this. So we'll be getting a greeting like this, which says either you can create a new document, or if you wanted to scan a document, you can go for it. So what I did, I'll go for the new document. So it's all about, if you tap on this, you can either create a new empty image over here, or you can create it and you can do it. Over here at the bottom, you can see we have various options here. Like I said, you can go over here over here it says over here, and also you can go to the browse. Over here we have recent, we have share it, and we have browse. So if you go to the recent, this is how it looks like. This is some of the kind of a screenshot that I took for the purpose of video. So even though I'm going to show you how we can do it, so what you need to do is you just need to go to the new document. If you wanted to create one, tap on new empty image. That is going to take you to this. Now if you wanted to type any kind of thing, so whatever the purpose, I'm randomly doing all these things, you can do this. You can write it, or you can do any kind of important notes, or whatever it is, you can do it. And also we have various tools over here at the bottom. If you wanted to remove it, or if you wanted to erase it, you can do all kind of things. So it's quite easy. Over here we have all these kind of options. And also if you wanted to save it, what you need, just go over here and do like this. Over here, as you can see, it will be saved. If we open this, that is how it is. And also if you go to the scan document over here, you should be scanning the documents. If you have one, you can just scan it properly. For example, any kind of passport or any kind of an ID kind of things, or whatever it is. If it's very important, you can scan it from here, you can save it, you can do all these kind of things. And also you can go to the shared over here. And also if you go to the browse, you can just browse it, you can do all kind of things. So this is how you can use a preview app on your iPhone. So you can do all kind of scanning and all those things very easily, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.